There is only one. Do you believe? Is it possible?
Sound check.
Based on a true story, but even funnier.
Only my crew.
Man!
A nice Facebook picture.
Man, y'all ain't even right, man.
Y'all ain't even right, man.
This is his last chance.
Okay!
Critics are calling it sensational.
Are we really sure that a love that lasted for so long still endures?
All he wanted was
To save the world.
Okay!
He stole it to go and party with some, I guess, them crackhead friends or whatever he run with to come up missing that nobody knows where the clip is but me and him. If you got $100 a day cocaine habit.
So when you got that habit, it doesn't make no difference how much money.
Right before your eyes.
Sound check.
Coming soon.
Okay!